Good afternoon. My name's Kyle and I'm your tire expert. Today we're going to be talking about the Goodyear Assurance Maxlife, which will extend your journey by 30% further. Also, Goodyear's longest lasting tread is backed with an 85,000 mile warranty, 30-day ride or try. Basically means if you don't like the tires after 30 days, you can exchange them for a different set of Goodyear product. Let's cut to the point and show you some technology. Now, Goodyear has a solid shoulder block for a better footprint, but also refined and better steering response time. It also has Goodyear bike groove technology, which what that does is give you better mud and snow traction. In addition, it has a Goodyear tread gauge, which basically means an everyday consumer can go out, check their tires, and see if they have an 8, 6, 4, or 2. When it gets to 2, you need new tires. It has the brand new Goodyear appearance on the sidewall, which they have included the date that the tire was produced and the tire size. Overall, I love the tire. Subscribe, like, check out my channel. My name is Kyle Melvin and I'm your tire expert.